Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Real Fanner here, and today, welcome back for another video. Today we're in Cascade, Montana, and as you could probably tell, we're at kind of an abandoned crossing. Well, only this part of the line right here is abandoned. That granary over there is closed, and that's where these tracks go. And you can tell they're abandoned. Connects back to other tracks, the main track right there. And you can tell it's abandoned because the flanways of a crossing are filled in. Well, you can see it's over there, over the rail. So, and you could also tell there's trees near the track. So, yeah, this right here's the main line. It is out of service. Yeah, out of service. They're starting to not use it, but it's just, yeah, right there, over there is overgrown, but they still use it. It's not abandoned. So the first signal, these are also old Griswold stop sign signals, but they took away the stop signs. So the first cantilever is a Griswold safety signal company cantilever. And then here's the emergency information. The dot number is 090-799-P. And right here is some like a sign and stuff. And there's no bell at this crossing. As you can see, even on the back doesn't have a bell. And I will wait for this car probably. And as you can see, that way over there goes to Great Falls. Looking towards Great Falls. That way. And over there leads to Helena. And there's a sign on the tracks. And still waiting. There is a show going on. So, alright, I'm gonna cross the street. The other signal, right there's a relay case. It is a really small relay case. And this is at milepost 1443. And that, again, it's a Griswold, signal. And right here's more emergency information. And yeah, this right here used to be where the stop sign used to be. And those are a look at the lights. You could tell they're, yeah. So how I know these are not abandoned, how I know they're not abandoned is that the tracks are pretty clear, except for that area. But if you hadn't seen my crossing tour of Park Garden Road in Great Falls, this right here was a storage line down in Great Falls. And yeah, and this in Cascade, this is where the most overgrown is. You could, yeah, and yeah. So that right there is more like an out of service railroad crossing in Cascade, Montana. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like and comment, and if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, and I'll see you in another video.